Hello everyone. Wish you a very happy Retail Employees Day. It is the time of the year to say thank you. Thank you for your hard work, for your dedication and your passion. This year hasn't exactly been a normal year. The pandemic has forced us to reimagine our lives and reimagine our business. I am very proud of how the organization has rallied together to get the business back into some sort of normalcy. What I think is exceptional is the effort put out by our retail front-end professionals. While our rest of the organization had the option of working from our homes, our front-end employees ensured that they battled steep personal odds and still ensured that our stores were kept running, our stores were safer for our consumers, and continued to create consumer delight. The exceptional stories of consumer delight that I happen to hear from the team, and I'm sure Neeraj is also going to talk about some of them, fills me with inspiration. It urges me to work even harder. I'm confident that if we continue to display such passion and such zeal and enthusiasm for our work, we will surpass anything that is asked of us as a team. Thank you once again for being such a huge inspiration.
Safety first. A big thank you to all our frontline heroes. I wish you all a very happy Retail Employees Day. As 2020 unfolded, it threw the biggest challenge ever to mankind. COVID made the entire world first bow and then kneel to its magnitude of proportions. Especially our country and most of the businesses in our country went through a downhill. The impact was unimaginable. It also taught the entire world how to do a namaste. Keeping that aside, when the lockdown restrictions were eased, I was really worried that who would actually have the courage to go out and reopen the stores while the fear of COVID was still at large. But all my fears were put to rest. All of my superheroes managed to do a wonderful job. They were truly exceptional. Not only did they follow all the safety protocols required to open the store, but they also made sure that we were back on track in no time. I am amazed and deeply touched by your passion and determination, not only for your company, but also for your customers. You all welcomed your customers with a big smile while taking care of all the safety protocols. There are a lot of stories that I can really talk about that happened in retail during this lockdown. Not only did you guys manage to learn new tricks of the trade while the stores were closed or whenever they were open as well, customers were feeling very scared to come to the stores. You made it a point to ensure that you took the store to them. Not only did you do video calling, you also managed to do a lot of online business, which was really great. Apart from that, if you really ask me, while each one of you was equally impressive, there are a lot of you that really stood out. Some of you, took your personal cars, went to the factories to collect the garments so that the customers' need could be fulfilled. Some of you took the courage to distribute food to the needy and give them all the support they required in the time of COVID. Some of you even traveled 200 kilometers to a customer's place to ensure that his shopping needs were taken care of. There are amazing stories. I could go on for the entire day. Last but not the least, I even have frontline heroes who have donated plasma and blood to our loyal customers who actually came to a store and probably asked for help. That is what I call it. Retail, it is not about selling a product. It's about giving an experience, and that experience is always emotional. It is always an emotional exchange that you have between yourself and your customers, and you guys have truly made me proud. I cannot thank you enough for what you have done for your company, for your brand, and for your customers. Who says superheroes are not real? We have a lot of superheroes in our system, and that is what we are here to celebrate. A big thank you to one and all once again. I wish you all again a very happy Retail Employees Day. Khush raho, abad raho, and follow all the safety protocols and keep the customers happy. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm really happy and proud to connect with you today on this very special day which is dedicated to you. It is not wrong to say that you are the brand ambassador of the company, and it is you who are taking the legacy of this company forward. So this unprecedented times has given rise to certain examples which have really stayed with me. I would just like to share some with you. The one example which really stands out is actually Mr. Chetan at Treasure Island Indore. The sort of experience that he has given to a customer came into the shop and he was very uncomfortable, or rather he wanted to be serviced at his home, and his home happened to be in Ujjain, which is around 90 kilometers from Indore. So our Chetan actually took the trouble of going to Ujjain, servicing him and his family over there. This was excellent. Really, kudos to him. Well done job. I think really keep it up. Another experience which comes to my mind was the selfless service which our teammates have actually given to these migrant laborers when they were actually going on road to their native places. So I can just put an example, Mr. Adarsh Patel and Ashish Jangle went out of the way to help them, to give them food when they were traveling, when these migrant laborers were moving to their native places. Really out of the way, they were representing Raymond in terms of giving their services. Mind-boggling. I think it's really kudos to them. There were many more examples like this. There was a master in Annanagar, Chennai, who actually took this time to make masks and give it to these lesser privileged people to fight against COVID. This is really heart-wrenching, and really happy that that they are working with us in this company for the brand Raymond. Kudos to them. I can never be thankful enough for the energetic, helpful pillars of support of these companies. Here's me saluting you with a khul ke bolo thank you. Stay safe, have fun. Happy Retail Employees Day.